This is a Williams System 7 display controller board, and I have it in my Hyperball. The board would cause the displays to go blank after several minutes of operation, and that was because the blanking signal that is a pass-through on this 4069 chip was causing the displays to think that they should be blank, and the chip was bad. It had a high input and a high output, and it's an inverter chip. So back to working properly again. Nothing like working inside of an old System 7 back box, especially a Hyperball.